Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In my yesterday video, I told to buy a call option above 17,600 zone, but today Nifty has opened more than 100 point gap up, that is above 17,600 zone. Then, due to lack of momentum, it could not able to sustain above 17,600 zone. Finally, it took resistance at 17,600 zone. Then the sell off came. It closed at 17,368. See friends, overall bought call option near the 17,600, definitely their stop loss got triggered. But overall bought put option near the 17,600 zone, they met easily more than 1:4 RR ratio, and also they could recover the loss incurred in the first entry. Okay friends, now we'll see the possible movement of Nifty for tomorrow. For tomorrow, this 17,639 will act as a strong resistant. On downside, 17,248 will act as a strong support. Consider tomorrow, if market opening flat, then it can take support at 17,356 or 17,316. From here, it can move up till 17,452. Here, you can go for call option buying. You can keep your RR ratio 1:2. On upside, it can take resistance at 17,452 or 17,543. Here you can go for put option buying and you can keep your RR ratio 1:2. Consider if market opening gap up, that means above this 17,543, then wait for the resistance. Once it take resistance at 17,639, you can go for put option buying and you can keep your RR ratio 1:2. In case the gap up sustain and the breakout happened at 17,639, here you wait for retracement, then you can go for call option buying. You can keep your RR ratio 1:2. From here, market can move up till 17,730. On downside, if gap down opening means below this 17,316, then wait for the support. Once it takes support at 17,248, then you can go for call option buying. You can keep your RR ratio 1:2. In case if that gap down sustain and breakdown happened at 17,248, then wait for retracement. In this place, you can go for put option buying. You can keep your RR ratio 1:2. From here, it can fall till 17,160. Okay friends, that's it for today. If you have any queries, put in the comment section. If you want to know what is mean by RR ratio, I will put a link in the description. Thank you for watching.